Hi there, my name is Shawn Johnson from the Exercise Institute, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about nutrition. And the first topic about nutrition I want to speak on is sugar. The average American consumes about 131 pounds of sugar per year, which is quite a lot, and that's mostly due to the fact that it is heavily laced in pretty much all of our foods, especially processed foods. And we have become sugar addicts. I know for me personally, I was a sugar addict for a very long time without actually understanding that I was addicted to something until I was enlightened and informed on what sugar does and how it affects me and my body. So it affects your body in several different ways. First thing it does is it triggers a serotonin release, so I get happy and I feel energized and I feel more awake and vibrant. And then the second thing it does is it taps into the dopamine glands in my brain, so it signals that I am in a happier mood. Unfortunately, a couple minutes to a couple hours later, all that goes away, and I feel tired and kind of crabby and lethargic, and I want more sugar. So it's kind of an endless cycle. So I really want to teach you the importance of monitoring your sugar intake. And so the first way you do that is you got to start reading labels. If you pick up anything that you buy in the grocery store, it's going to have a label with what the sugar content is in it. And if it has 5 grams or more of sugar in it, then what it's going to do is it's going to tap into not only your serotonin and dopamine levels, it's also going to tap into your insulin levels. So when you eat sugar, your body's insulin basically increases, so it controls the sugar level in your bloodstream. So therefore you get a high, again, physically, and then a drop later. So more tiredness, more crankiness, more need for more sugar. So there's 3 things that I really want to tell you that will help you combat the need for eating sugar. And the first thing is eating adequate proteins. Now, protein is such an essential part of our physiology. I mean, it's in every cell of my body, and it should be a major part of my intake every day. So adequate protein, meaning whole animal proteins or great omega proteins. If you're going to eat it supplementally, you need to be eating a whey form of protein, and that will help so you're not always craving that sugar load, especially because your body will be using the proteins in your system that you've ingested. The second thing is, if you have to have sugar, I would recommend that you get raw chocolate. Now, raw chocolate is considered a superfood because it's very high in antioxidants and magnesium, and it's just fortified with great things for our bodies. And raw chocolate is pretty hard to overconsume. So the third thing that will help you with sugar is eating a great breakfast. Now, I know you've heard this, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it is completely true. It sets the tone for the whole day as well. So if you eat a good breakfast that is balanced with good proteins, high proteins, good carbohydrates, and some good omega fats, then your tendency to crave food with high sugars is going to be much less. So pay attention to what goes in your body, read the labels, and get off the sugar, sister.